Hi guys, I'm just going to walk you through how to make your pop art snack bag look three-dimensional. I'm doing sort of a mini version here just so it will fit in the camera frame, but the steps are the same. It follows the exact steps that you'll see written on your slide that has the diagrams along with it, but sometimes just a video demonstration is a little easier to follow. So we're going to assume this is my painted design. It's obviously the front of it, and then this will represent the back. It's labeled side A, sticky side up, just like the diagram on the PowerPoint presentation. When you do yours, you're going to use packing tape, which is essentially like thick Scotch tape. Since I'm doing a smaller version, I'm just going to use Scotch tape. It obviously works the same. Like it says on the demonstration, I'm going to basically tape this to the table. I want a piece of tape that is the same length as the side of my project. So I'm just going to tape that down to the table like that. And the bottom as well, like this. I know you can't see the tape too well in the video, but it's there. My last piece here on the side, like that. Okay. Then just carefully peel it off of the table. Okay. Just like that. And then flip it over. So now that you've flipped it over, it says sticky side up because the tape is sticky here. This side does not have tape on it. It's the top of your design. Then you're going to just carefully lay the top of your design that you painted on top, just like this, and carefully fold over the tape. Okay, so I'm folding over the bottom there just like that. Essentially you're just going to make sort of an envelope, folding over the side like so, and folding over the last side just like this to sort of close up your bag, right? The top is still open like this. You kind of reach in, open it up real nice. I'm kind of using this bag to represent the trash bag that you'll use. This is just a grocery bag, but it will just fit right inside, just the same as yours. Just carefully tuck it in. Like that. And then you can tape off the top. And there is your chip bag.